Ocean, blue ocean, at my side, and I walk slowly by the light. Every steps are heavy, but hopes are lightly and fine around. I let my body into deeply blue fulfill of kind spaces, fishes, life, existence broad. Not called live and I lived, but really called without living, like life meaning. My life blue, under or around or on the top, goes each one like slice, being by side by. The past highlighted in every remembered once, with and without by side being. The fishes giving the senses of spirits to not forget the valuable ones, so love holding. To wish a good life slide or not, but having place and importance into life determining. Like wife, like not birth children's, wishing to have more than or want to dare, like every being. To give, to hear, to learn and earn the senses of coming from life, life teaching and reaching. And go, where goes while hidden or not hidden the reality of life, also there and its building. To be holding, good approach although sometimes kicked by near one, short or long time doing, for not losing the education to achieve since true moments past like difficulties, although enable sometimes not, at least breathing. To broad from ocean to the sea, where seeing the values are also protecting and seizing. Who knows, by canoe, maybe also like flying but sliding on the lake of Euphrates for relief bring. Thinking the blue of inside and around, under or up of the wandered world like paradise gardens, not having obviously free country as wanted, even not surrounded by sea or ocean. I wonder Kurdistan, the country of green and red, white and yellow, like odor, surrounded by the blue ocean and its by, colored world matter or black holding into universe like blue oceans, including senses, so loved to never say bye-bye, like loved ones, and side by side they